Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video for Monday, the 20th of June, a day away from the summer solstice. It's tomorrow. The solstice right after 12 noon. And as you might expect, this time of the year, we've got some daylight out there at 5 o'clock this morning. And we've actually got some good news about rain chances later this week. Let's take a look at some of the images. First off, coming from Trussville. Yeah, buddy, about to see a nice sunrise there within the hour. That's coming from Chalkville Mountain Road. The sky is clear. That's the downtown Birmingham view coming from the top of the Daniel Building. And way down south. So look there coming from the Phoenix All Suites at Gulf Shores on the beautiful Alabama Gulf Coast. Boy, look at the trough in the west. Wow. That's going to be coming east and setting the stage for severe weather across the high plains and ultimately an increase in rain activity here later this week. But boy, it was hot yesterday. Those are highs around the nation yesterday. Of course, the really, serious blast furnace kind of stuff is out there in West Texas, where they easily topped 100. But around here it was hot enough. The official high in our state yesterday was Tuscaloosa with 101. Birmingham hit 99, and quite frankly, it should be pretty similar to that today. On the watch warning map, things getting active up north in that region where the trough is coming out. Flash flood watches in effect for the high plains and a few severe thunderstorm watch boxes, including this one until 10 o'clock this morning for parts of Nebraska and Iowa. Hey, look at there. Got a moderate risk of severe weather up there today. That includes places like Omaha, Nebraska, where I think they're playing the College World Series now. I'm not sure if they have any games today or not, but that could be kind of interesting. And surrounding that, a slight risk really from the Red River of Texas and Oklahoma, up to Minneapolis, St. Paul, then down to Columbus, Ohio, and Charleston, South Carolina. But around here, the ridge is right over us, so today should be mostly hot and dry. Tomorrow, risk of severe weather from Dallas-Fort Worth to Detroit. And on day 3, from Memphis up to Green Bay and then back over toward Atlantic City. And while we are not in a severe weather risk, we do expect to see a marked increase in convection here on Wednesday. And the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Friday evening. This is suggesting some 1-inch amounts just to the west of here, and amounts in Alabama taper off from about 1 inch around the Shoals down to 1/2 inch around Dothan. But I think we could see more than that. And of course, understand this is summer, so the distribution will not be very even, but everybody has a good chance of getting some decent rain in here, really Wednesday all the way through early next week, as you'll see. For now, the tropics are quiet. But let's dig in there and take a look. This is the OZGFS at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Look at that upper low coming out of the Rockies. Yeah, you see why there's a moderate risk of severe weather out there. But again, we have the 588 ridge, so hot, dry, mid to upper 90s. No real change from yesterday. But tomorrow, the upper trough begins to beat the ridge down just a little bit. Still hot, but I think we do need to mention the chance of a shower or storm by mid to late afternoon. There's the surface look, and I got a 1,000 millibar low that is north of Omaha. And again, the most organized convection probably west of here, but again, some of the outflow boundaries could initiate new storms by mid to late afternoon, but Wednesday is the day where we start to should begin to see a pretty clear increase in convection as the ridge is beat down, and down below that you see the showers and storms easing in here. There's Thursday. Again, the deep surface low is over Wisconsin. A front should be just north of the state, kind of stalling out. And on Friday, again, scattered to numerous showers and storms seem likely. What about the weekend, you ask? Got a clear weakness in the ridge right on top of us. And again, with a stalled front nearby, scattered to numerous showers and storms are likely. And understand, as the rain chances go up, the heat levels come down. There's a chance we could stay below 90 for multiple days in a row here. Just a chance. And Sunday, again, looks active in terms of convection. And there's a week from today. So really, Wednesday through Monday of next week, every day a pretty decent chance of showers and storms. And that's not to say it's going to rain the whole time. We know that doesn't happen in summer, and every day, still, you're going to have some folks that miss the rain on a day or two. But I think if you combine the rain totals for that whole stretch, that'll be very beneficial for the state. We'll dig deeper. July 1. We've still got the weakness in place here. The core of the 588 ridge is off to the west and off to the east. And again, that looks kind of showery. And again, some evidence of mischief in the Gulf of Mexico. And the end of the forecast on the 5th of July. It looks pretty hot. Look at that 594 ring over West Texas. But still, we've got moisture trapped below that, so at least some risk of scattered showers and storms. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great Monday, and God bless.
Being Alabama's news leader means digging deeper to get you the facts, working harder so you have all sides of the story, and not being afraid to tell the truth. Every day you award us by making ABC 3340 Alabama's most watched news. And now the Associated Press has named us Alabama's most outstanding news operation. That's 9 times since 1996, more than all other stations combined. And that's 9 more reasons you should trust the news leader. ABC 3340.